Hello friends, this is Naveen Mandan and in this video I will show you how to fix USB incorrect size problem. So let's get started. So here is a USB in my PC which has incorrect size. I have 16 GB USB and in this USB shows only 11 GB. Now I gonna check its properties. So here as you can see it is shows only 11 GB. Now I am going to format it. So the format is completed. Again it's showing the incorrect size. So now move to its solution. Open the command prompt. Now enter this command disk part and hit enter. Now our current working directly is changing to disk part. Now type the second command, list disk. It will list all drives which is connected to your PC. So now as you can see here is the USB incorrect size and command prompt show me 16 GB. Now type select disk 1 and hit enter. So disk 1 selected. Now just type clean. So it will clean the disk 1. Now type create partition primary and hit enter. Now type format fs equal to ntfs, so you can also format it with FAT32. Formatted is being started now. It will take some time to complete and see depends upon USB size. Now it is completed. Now type assign and hit enter. Now I am exit command prompt. And here as you can see the USB is restored on its original size. Thank you for watching my video.